In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment contacts in iContact. By the end, you'll know exactly how to group contacts using rules and filters so your messages reach the right people at the right time. First, a quick foundation. In iContact, a segment is a saved, dynamic group of contacts that meet specific criteria you define. Think of it as a smart list that updates itself as contacts match or no longer match your rules. This is incredibly useful for personalization, better open rates, and more relevant campaigns. Start by logging into your iContact account and make sure you're in the correct workspace where your contacts live. If you manage multiple brands or lists, double-check this before moving on. It prevents confusion later when you're looking for your segment. Next, head to the Contacts area in the top navigation. From there, select Segments. This is your hub for creating and managing all the groups you'll target in your campaigns. Look for the option to create a new segment. It may be labeled Create New Segment or Add Segment. Clicking this opens the Segment Builder, where you'll define exactly who belongs in this group. Now set your rules. Choose filters that reflect how you want to target your audience. You can use custom fields like customer type or location, engagement behaviors such as opens and clicks, list membership, or even sign-up date and overall activity level. For example, you could include all contacts where the country field equals Philippines and also include those who opened at least 2 previous campaigns. Pay attention to whether your rules use AND or OR logic. AND narrows your group, requiring contacts to meet every condition, or broadens it, including anyone who meets at least one condition. Keep your data tidy and consistent. If a field is misspelled or blank, those contacts won't be included as expected. When you're satisfied, give your segment a clear, memorable name, like Engaged Manila Subscribers. Descriptive names make it easy for your team to understand the purpose at a glance. Save the segment, and iContact will automatically populate it with all contacts who match your criteria. Most segments update automatically over time, which means as new contacts meet your rules, they'll be added, and those who no longer qualify will drop off. That's it. You've created a reusable, always accurate audience slice. The next time you set up a campaign, simply choose this segment as your recipient group for more targeted, effective emails.